Hello everyone. Join fast, join fast. Hi Gokul. Hi Nishat. Hi Soham. Where is our birthday boy? Hi Afmoon. Thanks for the cake, bro. It was damn nice. Chalo everybody, come on fast. Today's concept video is very small, and then after that we're just going for the questions. So very simple, very easy. Few things. It will take max 30 minutes. We'll wrap this and then we'll go for PYQ. So come join fast, students. Do not be late. Come on fast. Lohit, bro, come on, come fast. Where is the Sunday? He'll be sleeping. Hi, Samiksha, ma'am. Hi, Lohit. Where is your Sundays, bro? Both are from Mysore, no? We went once for Mysore Palace. No issues, bro. See, class you need to attend whichever mom's account, dad's account, sister's account, brother's account doesn't matter. Chalo. Chalo, let's start everybody. Everybody done? Chalo. Let's start fast. Right on the chapter permutation and combination. Who is following Charlie put? Are you all able to see the screen? Hello. Are you all able to hear, students? Tell me fast. Hi, Purvika ma'am. Chalo. चलो कोई इशू नहीं. Are you all able to see the screen proper? Chalo. Now let's talk about permutation and combination. What is there in this chapter? Very simple. इतना भी ज्यादा मत करो यार. चलो. ठीक है. Now I won't be going much details. Whatever is needed, only that much. So we all know what is n factorial means. We all know what is n factorial means. Okay. So if I have 5 factorial, it means what? I need to multiply from 1 till the number 5. Correct? Now if I have 0 factorial, it means 1. If I have n factorial, just these formulas, just do write it down fast. N factorial can also be written as, this is very important, n into 1 less factorial. So a lot of times you'll be using, let's say I have 10 factorial. That can be written as 10 into 1 less factorial, 9 factorial. एग्जाम है ब्रो, बर्थडे कैसे मनाएगा वो? एग्जाम के बाद बड़ी पार्टी होगी. चलो. 10 factorial can also be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Right now exams are the most important thing. अभी सब बच्चे इधर थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेट कर लो. ठीक है. Once it is done, we'll have a blast. Okay. चलो. So these all everybody knows. Okay. Next is fundamental principle of counting. This is important. If something can be done in m number of ways, some other thing can be done in n number of ways. Together, they can be done in m into n number of ways. Correct. If you can, let's say for a school uniform, if you can have the shirt in 3 ways, you can have 3 different kinds of shirts and pants and like what do you say, 4 different kinds of. So total number of ways the uniform will be what? 3 into 4. करेक्ट. चलो आरवी पे ही मना लेंगे. ठीक है. क्लियर. चलो यहाँ तक सबको समझ आ गया बच्चों? थोड़ा धीरे जा रहे बट आराम से चलो। यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? एनीबडी हैज एनी डाउट टिल हियर? Everybody write down this one fast. I'll explain. Very simple but easy, but we need to understand. चलो let's see. Done everybody? We'll have a discussion. आराम से देखना बच्चों, will go very slow, but it is very simple and easy. So first here, two things are important. Two things are important. What are these two things? Okay, let me give you a situation. See, we have a concept called fundamental theorem of multiplication and another concept called fundamental theorem of addition. Where do we add and where do we multiply? Where do we add and where do we multiply? Clear? That's very, very, very important. You all there? Yes, no, kids. Hello. Are you all there, kids? Chalo. So, anybody tell me, I'm giving you one question. Okay. Where will you add and where will you multiply? Okay. One example I'm giving. 2 and 30. Yeah, very important property. So, very important. Understand people. Let's say you are running a school and you are the principal or you are the designer for the school dress. You are the designer for the school dress. So the principal came, she said that for designing the shirt you have 3 colors you can choose or 3 designs you can make, and for designing the pant, okay, you can go with 4 designs. So how many number of different ways you can make a uniform? Second, you said, sir, the outside people, okay, the outside country people, they are targeting us. I want to take a battalion, and the army commander told you choose 10 people, okay, among any of the 2 battalions you have. Let's say this is a tent. Here you have a people of 20, and here is another battalion stationed, okay. Here you have a people of 15. Okay, so you have to choose 10 people and you have to go and do a sneak attack and come back. So where you will multiply and where you will be adding it up? Tell me. So in the first case, you are all writing, sir, the number of designs for the uniform will be 3 into 4. Why did you multiply it? Any reason? Why did you multiply? Can anyone tell me what is the reason? Why did we multiply? So why did we multiply? And Sandesh said 20 into 10. No, bro. So let's see. Let me explain you all. Very simple concept. Okay. So here, understand, kid. Here, my target was to design a uniform. And in order to design the uniform, I divided the task into 2 points. One is designing the upper part of the uniform, designing the lower part of the uniform. So understand, my work, this designing uniform, is incomplete if I just do one part or if I just do the second part. I have to do both of them, then only we can do it. So these two events are dependent. These two events are dependent or related on each other. So whenever 2 events are related or dependent on each other, we multiply. Now, in order to go and attack, let's say we want to go and attack, okay, to some other country, let's say to our nearby neighbor country, we want to go and do an attack. So I can take any 10 people from this battalion also. So what I can do a selection 20 C10. Later I'll explain more details. So I can do either among these people, I can choose 10 people, or from the other I can choose 10 people. But why I'm putting plus? Because the moment I choose 10 people, that is more than enough to do the work. That is more than enough to do the work. My work is done. By these, out of These 20 people, if I select 10 also and do the attack, my work is done. So they are not related to each other. I have an extra way also of taking from these people, but my work is done by here only. Clear everyone? This part you get it? This part did you all get it? Or it went bouncer? Do tell me. Or it went bouncer? Do tell me. Come on बच्चों, yes no yes no. चैप्टर नया है, थोड़ा सा हाँ ना बोल दो जल्दी से. Did you get it? Didn't get it? Pavitra ma'am, others, everybody. ऋतिक क्लियर. एक बार फिर से शॉर्ट में. चलो अगेन संदेश, अगेन सोहम, अगेन. चलो everybody see it again. I'll again explain it, okay, in very short. When we have two events, okay, and they are dependent on each other, and together if they are done, then only we can get the mission complete. Okay, like the uniform design. So uniform design is complete only and only if both this shirt is design is done and the pant design is also done. Together they constitute the uniform. Together they constitute the uniform. But what about from an army battalion? Let's say battalion A, I'm just taking out of 20 Jawans, I took 10 Jawans. My work is done. I can go now attack and come. Okay. Or if I'm taking from B part also, 50 Jawans are there. I selected any 10 of them and I went and attacked and came. So my work is done by here only. But I have an extra part here. I can do extra. I can take other people also and go. So these two are not related. These two are not related. My mission is done by this only. So here whenever we'll do, we'll add. And here whenever we'll do, we'll multiply. Clear? You can take an example that you are going from, Sandesh is traveling from, or let's say Ganit is going from, what do you say, Bangalore to Goa. In between what is there? If I want to go to Bangalore to Goa, in between any big destination? Does Mysore comes in between? Let's say he has planned a trip Bangalore to Mysore and Mysore to Goa. He'll be picking up Sandesh and Lohit from here and he'll be going to Goa. Okay, let's see. So in that case, he's thought of going from Bangalore to Mysore. He has three ways: either by train, by car, or by boat, bike. And from Mysore to Goa, he has two ways. Let's say one is by ship and another is by car. So his main target is what? From Bangalore to go to Goa. So totally how many ways? 3 here, 2 here, 6 ways he can go. His work is not complete unless and until he is reaching Goa. Here my work is complete if I take the soldiers from battalion A and go and attack. I don't have to take it from battalion B. That is extra I can do. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If not also don't worry, I'll again explain at the end of the chapter. Okay? What about others? Is it clear? Not clear? Pavitra clear? Chalo. How will we using it? How will we use it? I'll show it. It will be more clear in that. Chalo. So we all got that. Now this is the formula of NPR, that is permutation of N, what do you say? I have N things and I have taken R at a time. Here order matters. Like let's say I have 3 books, A, B and C. So when I say how many ways I can arrange it, A, B, C means a different arrangement and B, C, A means a different arrangement. C, A, B means a different arrangement. Means in permutation order matters. In permutation order matters, student. Okay. In combination when we'll read, order doesn't matter. Whether I've selected somebody first or last doesn't matter. It matters is whether we have selected or not. Okay. Chalo. Next is if I'm doing npn, put it in the formula, you'll get it n factorial by 0 factorial. So that is n factorial only. If this formula is very important, npr is equal to n into n minus 1 pr minus 1. What you can say? Let's say I have 10p3. So this can be written as 10 into 9p2. So this we use it a lot. This we use it a lot. Clear? So second property very important. Clear? Same thing. This is the extending part of this property. What we can do? npr is equal to n minus 1 pr plus r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. So this one I'll show with example. Don't worry. This one I'll show with example. You can use it. Okay. Sure. Clear till here, everybody? Clear till here? Anybody doubt? Soham, New Moon, Nishat, Samiksha ma'am, anybody doubt? Chalo, clear. Chalo. Next, few more formulas are there. This one also important. NPR you can solve, you can get it. NPR by NPR minus 1 is equal to N minus R plus 1. Like if I have 10, 10p6 by 10p5. So that is nothing but 10 minus 6 plus 1. So that is nothing but 5. Clear? We can do this also. Now, a lot of questions we got in exam, like what do you say, where things are repetitive. Like this questions, how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Allahabad? Allahabad, correct. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But whichever way I arrange the L, both L are same, no. So if anything is coming similar, so what we do? We divide by that much factorial. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial divided by the ones which is repeating. 2L, 3A, done. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? चैप्टर का वेटेज खाली एक क्वेश्चन, वेरी रेयर 2 क्वेश्चन. प्रोबेबिलिटी में भी काम आएगा ब्रो. ठीक है. चलो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं ब्रो. Clear everybody? Just do write down this one, just do write down this one and this one. This one write down with an example Allahabad, and the different permutation of the word Allahabad is 8 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Clear? Write down this much. चलो everybody done with this? Done with this? थोड़ा जल्दी करना बच्चों, थोड़ा फास्ट, थोड़ा जल्दी. ये चैप्टर जस्ट फास्ट कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. चलो बच्चों, डन. Now, just 1 second. A simple question. In a class of 27 boys and 14 girls, I have to select one boy, one girl. Okay. No, it's a selection question. Leave it. We'll do this is a selection question. Now let's coming to combinations part. Okay. So basically combination means what? आगे का शेड्यूल जस्ट बता देते हैं, ठीक है. इसके बाद आज हम लोग करेंगे रे और वेव, दो बड़े बड़े चैप्टर्स हैं हमारे पास, रे वेव एंड बीच में एक थोड़ा सा मसाला रहेगा सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज का, ठीक है, ताकि आप लोग बोर ना हो, यू वोंट गेट बोर्ड. आई जस्ट राइट एंड सेंड इट एंड देन एक और चैप्टर अगर कर पाए तो मूविंग चार्जेस एंड व्हाट इज से मैग्नेटिज्म एंड मैटर, ठीक है, या ईएम वेव्स, ये दो में से कोई एक रहेगा. चलो. Now combination means when we are selecting. In selection, order doesn't matter. Let's say again I'm giving the example, three books are there, A, B, C. If I am selecting any two, I am selecting A, B or B, A, same thing. Whether I've selected first or last, it doesn't matter in selection. Clear? Clear? Chalo. Now one formula for selection, NCR. Just remember the formula, NCR is equal to what? N factorial by N minus R factorial, one extra R factorial comes. So this whole part is what? NPR and divided by R factorial, done. Clear? So NPR is nothing but R factorial into NCR. Clear everyone? NPR is nothing but R factorial into NCR. Now some properties I am giving you, do write it down. NC0 is equal to NC1 equal to 1. Write down everybody. Just write down the properties, we'll do with the questions. It is very simple, easy. Write down fast. Once written, put it in the chat fast, everybody. We'll start with the PYQ. Take a break. Go for our buddy. Rest, what do you say? Ray optics. आज डेफिनेटली मजा आएगा बच्चों. सर NCN होगा, कार्तिकेय NCN. चलो NC1 देख लेते हैं. NC1 क्या होगा? N फैक्टोरियल बाई R मेरा कितना 1 फैक्टोरियल बाई N माइनस 1. करेक्ट, NCN हो जाएगा. चलो डन. Just change it everybody, it will be NCN. NC1 is N factorial. No, NC1 is N only, not N factorial. Chalo. Everybody written? Chalo. Yeah, correct. Chalo. Write down everybody fast. ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If NCX is equal to NCY, then N is equal to X plus Y. So if 10C2 is equal to 10C8, we can say 10 is equal to what? 8 plus 2. Correct. So if they give you 10CX is equal to 10C8, so you can write X plus 8 is equal to 10, so X is equal to 2. So a lot of questions will be seeing from this part also, like 5C4 plus 5C3 is equal to 6C3. Oh, sorry, 6C4. Clear? Chalo. Write down fast. We'll go with the MCQ. Just 5 questions are there. We'll be done. Chalo bachcho, fast, fast, fast. Done, done. Good. Done others. Chalo. This one, write down, mark it down. Very, very, very important. Property 4 explain. Property 4 is simple down. See here. Property 4 is simple. If I have, let's say 10C2, that I can write 10 by 2 into 1 less 9C1. That again, if I want to do more less, okay, so I can do 10C2 into 9C1 into 8C0. Clear? Clear? See Karthik, if I have, let's say 8C4, I can write it as 8 by 4 into 1 less both 7C3. That again I can write 8C4 into 7 by 3 into 6C2, and I can keep reducing it. So it helps us very, what to say, a lot in simplifying the questions, Chalo. This part very, very important, students, this part and this part. And we are done with the theory part. These 2 pages very important. So the greatest value, they'll say, what is the greatest value of NCR? If n is even, the greatest value is at half. And if n is odd, we get 2 greatest value at these 2 points. Clear? Chalo. If n is even, the greatest value is at r equal to 5, 10C5, the middlemost value. And if it is odd, we have 2 values, 11C5, 11C6. Got it, everybody? See, the moment they say find the value of NCR where it is highest, let's say I have 10C2. I have to find the value where in between this, which one is the highest. I can easily go and find when n is even, the middlemost value 10C5 will be the highest. If n is odd, we'll get 2 highest, one at r equal to n plus 1 by 2 and other at r equal to n minus 1 by 2. So if I have 11C2, bro, so what I can do, r is equal to what? 11 plus 1 by 2. So at 11C6 also I'll get the same value. At 11C5 also I'll be getting the same value, and these 2 will be highest. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Sure. Once you have written, do tell me. Once you have written, do tell me. Got it, everybody? Anybody doubt? Anybody doubt? Gokul, Samiksha ma'am, Nishad, Ganit, Kartike. Chalo, nobody has doubt? Chalo. Now everybody, last part. They give you a lot of questions like this. Sir, endpoints are lying on a plane. How many diagonals of a polygon will be formed? How many collinear? Then what are the number of diagonals? 5 points are there. Okay. So, and you're making a n-sided polygon. How many diagonals will be there? So the formula is nc2 minus n. nc2 minus n. See, let's say 5 points are there. Let's say 5 points are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, what do you say? 4. Correct. So what you can do? 5 points are there for making each line 5c2. But because why? In order to make a line, we need 2 points. So when we are selecting 2 points, okay, to make one line, how many points total we have? 5. So 5c2 will give me the total number of lines subtracted by the edges line. 3, 4, and 5. So minus n. Minus n. In this case, it is 5. So 5c2 5 will be giving me the number of diagonals. Clear? Chalo. If m points are collinear, then just remove that collinear point. Okay. If m points are collinear, means they're lying on one line, then they'll just constitute like if 4 points are there in one line. So this together will just make one line only. That's it. So we just have to take that one part and subtract whatever extra we are getting from that. Clear everyone? Or a bit doubt? Clear everyone or a bit doubt? Let me again explain. See here everybody. Understand I have 5 points. So total number of lines, how many I can make? So I know, sir, for making lines, you need 2 points. So NC2. So I had 5 points, so 5C2. How much is 5C2? 5 factorial by 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So that is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Correct. 10 lines I can make. So out of that, how many are diagonals? 5 is off vertex, edges 1. So what are the diagonals? Here to here 1, here to here 2, here to here 3, here to here 4, here to here 5. So 5 diagonals are there. So what is the formula of diagonals? NC2 minus n. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now, if m lines are collinear, so 1.2, 4, 5, and we have, let's say 5 points collinear. So how many diagonals we can make, or we can put it here? They're mostly making one line. So in that case, what will happen? For total number of lines will be NC2. Total number of lines will be NC2. And for one collinear, all these points will get one extra line. Minus these collinear points are not able to contribute extra. Okay. So how many points were there? 4. So minus 4C2. So whatever they could have made like extra lines if they were outside. So we subtract that. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? आ गया? चलो. जिसको नहीं आया बोल दो बच्चों. If you didn't get it, do tell me. Okay, I'll again explain. This is done. Now it's question answers. Okay. So go through once till here. 2 minutes I'm giving you all. Go through once whatever the formulas we have written, and then we'll start with the PYQ. 5 questions are there. इससे इजी कैलकुलस है. हाँ, कैलकुलस तो इजी है ब्रो. ये भी इजी है, थोड़ा सोचना पड़ता है ब्रो. This and probability, a bit you have to think. Chalo everybody, I'm giving you 2 minutes to revise it fast, then we'll start the PYQ. Sandesh is the king for calculus. So everybody chalo fast. 5 minutes, revise all the formulas. So when we are doing, you'll be able to understand faster. Go through fast. We'll finish in 10 minutes. Not much question. How many? 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 questions. That's it. Fast, everybody. चलो everybody done. Saloni ma'am, admit card download कैसे करें? For downloading the admit card, go to the website. If the server is not so much heavy or it's proper, you will be able to download. Hello Vyas, tell me the answer first one. Som gave an answer B है इसका. सारे बच्चे आंसर B है. Yes, no, others. Kartike B, Nishad B. What about others? Topper Swam. बोलो Swam. हेलो सोहम, आगे भी कुछ बोलो. चलो बाकी बच्चों आंसर क्या है, चलो एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. लेट्स सी. A student has to answer 10 questions. Bindas, he has to answer 10 questions only. Okay. Now, choosing at least 4 from part A. So part A he has to choose minimum 4, and from part B, okay, at least minimum 4 he has to choose from both. Now, if there are 6 questions in part A, so 6 questions are there in part A and 7 questions are there in part B, the number of ways he can choose. Very simple question, students. हो रहा था, buffering हो रहा था. चलो. That's why yeah, I would try to connect in between, like a bit internet issue was there. थोड़ा सा हम लोग को मैनेज करना होगा बच्चों. कभी कभी बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट इशू आ जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो चलो. So what we can do here, we are selecting students. So we'll use what? Combination or permutation? Come on everybody, here we are selecting. Come on students, here we are selecting. So what you'll use? Combination or permutation? Sir will use combination. So see, first set what we can make, minimum 4 I have to choose. No, so 4 from A, and what is left? 6 from B. Then I'll go increase 5 from A, 5 from B. Then third, 6 from A and 4 from B. Can I go more? No, I cannot go more. Why? Because minimum I have to choose 4 from both of them. Correct. So for this one, first set what will be? 6C2 into 7C6. For this one, 6C5 into 7C5. And for this one, 6C6 into 7C4. Now, see, the moment I choose 4 and this, my target is done. So that's why what? I'm having a plus here. I'm having a plus here. So now solve. If you solve, students, you'll get 266. If you solve, students, you'll get 266. Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? आप लोग का चैट स्क्रीन थोड़ा फ्रीज हो गया बच्चों. आर यू ऑल एबल टू हियर, लिसन प्रॉपर्ली? Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Put in the chat screen. If you didn't get it, I'll again explain, students. Yes, no, yes, no. Got it? Chalo, chalo. What about others? What about others? पता नहीं चल रहा. Okay. You didn't get this one. Let me again explain. See, Sandesh, very important. Total 10 questions we have, I have to solve. Let's say I'm a student, I have to solve 10 questions. And I have 2 sections in the question paper. Paper A, Part B. So in Part A, I have how many? Maximum 6 questions. Part B, I have maximum 7. but I have to do 4 minimum from each. 4 minimum I have to do from each. Clear? So what I can do, my first preference I can go with 4 questions from A and 6 questions from B, or I can go with 5 questions from A, 5 questions from B, or third option I can go 6 questions from A, 4 questions from B. Clear? तो अब 4 क्वेश्चंस को चूज कैसे करें आउट ऑफ 6? हाउ टू चूज 4 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 6? 6C4 वी आर चूजिंग, नॉट अरेंजिंग संदेश, ठीक है? वी आर सेलेक्टिंग इट इनटू, अब इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा? इनटू होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तक मेरा मिशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ। नेक्स्ट, आउट ऑफ 7 आई एम सेलेक्टिंग 6, so 7C6. नाउ मिशन इज डन, 10 क्वेश्चंस डन. For the next option I will put plus, so plus 6C5 into 7C5 plus 6C6 into 7C4. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? अब समझ आया बच्चों? Everybody got it? Yes, no, yes, no? Everybody got it? PYQ will help ma'am, Saloni ma'am, but you have to understand the concept. Sir, admit card release हो गया, now COMEDK will not get postponed. चलो, admit card. For those students who have already got the admit card, do send the admit card and class 10th mark sheet, okay? We are planning to bring up some scholarship things and something more, so we'll tell you all. Don't worry. Chalo. Next question, everybody on the screen. A very simple, a very easy question. Let's see who can do it. Let's see who can do it. I'll give you one hint. Use the formula. Use the formula. Try everyone. You have 2 minutes. Okay. Try it. Chalo, everyone got the answer either 0 or B. Chalo, let's see. So the answer is 0 and that is B. Very good, very correct. Was it very simple? Yes, no, yes, no, fast. Fast students, yes, no. Do you want me to explain anybody? Does anybody want me to explain? Hello, 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 everybody. See here, just I'll show once. So 16C9 plus 16C10 minus what I can do here. I can change this one a bit. Okay. So what I can say NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 16C 6 can be written as minus 16C 10. And again this can be written as 16C9. So this cut, we got 0. Chalo. Done. No explanation. Chalo. Fast everybody now. Increase the speed. Got it, students? What is the answer you all are getting? A 432. Chalo. Answer is correct. Do you want me to explain? See the number of four digit, no, the number of four digit numbers without repetition. So they have used the word without repetition. Four digit numbers are there. So what do you do? Make four dabbas. And how many digits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is there, in which each number has two odd digits to even. So what we have? We have two odd options to even. So how many odd numbers are there? First write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Odd 1, 3, 5, 7. 4 are there. So out of 4, any two I can choose. And out of 3, 1, 2, 3. Out of 3 even I can choose any two. Now these two I can arrange in how many ways? How many dabbas I have? 4 factorial dabbas done. So it will be 432. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Check it fast and tell me. If not, I'll again explain. Just make 4 boxes and see your requirement. You have how many? 4 odd numbers and you have to select 2 of them. So 4C2. You have 3 even numbers, you have to select 2 of them. So 3C2, and then internally they can arrange in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So into 4 factorial. Clear everyone? Check it and tell me fast, students. Done everybody? Anybody doubt? If anybody has doubt, do tell me fast, students. Okay. We have to finish this one. Half Moon, Karthik, anybody doubt? Sandesh now got it. Come on fast. We just have very less time. Today's schedule, I'll be sending it now. We'll be having a ray optics somewhere around 5 p.m. And after that, today we'll take care of wave and then one chapter of maths, sequence and series. Okay. Come on fast, students. Chalo, nobody has doubt. Then try the next question. Everybody try the next question. You just have one mid timeline. Try the next question. Chalo everybody, let's see D, two options, we got D. Let's see. So the number of ways, 5 girls are there and 3 boys are there. They're sitting in a row so that no 2 boys are together. So what do? Make the girls sit first. One, two, three, 4 and 5. So what are space we create? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So now in these 6 spaces, I can put any 2 boys. So what are the different ways? 6C3, 3 boys I have. Yes, 3 boys I have. So 6, 3, 3. And these girls among themselves, they can arrange it what? 5 factorial ways. And these 3 boys among themselves, they can arrange in 3 factorial ways. So done. If you solve it, you'll get 14400. Clear everyone? Clear everyone. First make the girl set, which is more in number. Then you'll see you'll be able to create the space. How many spacing you have? You'll get 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more always. So 6 spacing you have. In that 6 spacing you can make any of the 3 boys sit. They can arrange themselves in 3 factorial ways, and these girls who are sitting, they can arrange themselves in 5 factorial. Done. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Check it. Everybody got it. Shubham, everybody. Sandesh didn't say. Come on, reply fast, kids. Chalo, let's shake some hands. Okay. Next. Do put up fast. Yes, no, done. Next question. Come on, fast. We have to do fast. Try everyone in 1 minute. I'll start telling the answer. Chalo, done this one. Let's see. Time is up. Let's see. Now, what is it telling? Everybody in a room shakes hand with everybody else. The total number of handshakes is 45. The total number of person in the room. So let's say total number of person is n. So for handshaking, you need two people. So NC2 total number of handshakes is 45. Correct. So that is equal to n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is 45. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by n minus 2 into 2 factorial is equal to 45. So what we got? 2 factorial means 2 only. N into n minus 1 is what? Send this 2, that's a 90. So how can we write 90? I don't want to solve 10 into 9. So n is 10. Clear everyone? समझ आया सुहम कैसे करना है? देखो, for handshake we need two people. Two people can make one handshake. So let the total number of people be n. So NC2 if I do, just like we are creating from 2 dots, 1 line. So same thing from 2 people hand. Okay, we are doing what is a one handshake. So NC2 is equal to 45. Clear? And then solve it. Clear everyone? समझ आया बच्चों? यस नो फिर से समझाना, जल्दी बताओ एवरीबॉडी. यस नो? Anybody has doubt, do tell me fast. One second sir, chalo. One second student. PDF किधर चला गया? Let's see everybody. So what we're doing is, see if two people are there, okay, they can make one handshake. Two people, we're not talking about the hands. Two people, they can do one handshake. So total I have taken n number of people. Okay. So in order to do handshake, we need two. So if I do NC2, out of total n people, I select two people and make a handshake. Total number of handshakes is coming out to be what? 45. Now I'll solve it. So n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial equal to what? 45. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is equal to 45. So n into n minus 1 equal to what? 90. So n into n minus 1 equal to what? 10 into 9. So n equal to 10. Clear everyone? So n equal to 10. Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Chalo. Let's see the next one. This one everybody can see and tell me the answer directly. What will be the value of n? What will be the value of n? Direct formula. NCX is equal to NCY. So n is equal to x plus y. So n is equal to how much, students? Hi Niranjan. N is equal to how much? 20. 12 plus 8. Clear? Chalo. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, one last question, one last question, one last question. Everybody D 20 20 20. Chalo, lucky 20. Where is Half Moon? Others, Sandesh. Chalo. Last question for today. Try everybody get it right, and this chapter is done. We'll next sit for around 5:30. The class will be there. Ray optics. Fast students, fast. Hi Jatin. Chalo everybody, let's see. Chalo. How many 5-digit telephone numbers? So what you do? Make 5 dabba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can construct from where to where? 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each number is starting with 67. So put up 6, 7. And no digit appears more than once. So you cannot use this 6, you cannot use this 7. So whatever you can use, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can put up 8 digits here. So since you cannot repeat, so you can put 7 here and 6 here. So what are you getting? 8 into 7 into 6. So 56 into 6. 6 6 is 36, 6 carry 3, 6 5 is 30, 33. 336, and B is the correct answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Hi Jatin bro, which one you used? Why you got C? Clear? Clear everyone? Where is Soham bro? And Sandesh not writing answers? Simple no. See, they said 5 telephone numbers are there, means 5 dabba. Out of that, they already said the numbers are starting from 6 and 7. So these two are fixed. These two are fixed. So 6 and 7 gone. Now from the number list also gone because they cannot repeat. So how many numbers left? 8. So 8 of them, any of them I can put here. So since the moment I'm using one of them, I can't put that one. So 7 here and 6 here. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? That's the end of the chapter. Permutation and combination from my side. See you all again in the next session around 5:30. Okay. आंसर भी दे दिया करो यार सोहम. लिखना ना आंसर. लिखा ना आंसर. किधर लिखे आंसर? आपका आंसर कहाँ दिख रहा है ब्रो? वो तो उस क्वेश्चन का था, इस क्वेश्चन का कहाँ है? चलो, गॉट इट एवरीबडी? किसी भी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है? एनीबडी हैज एनी डाउट? डू टेल मी फास्ट. Otherwise, ending of the session 5:30 will sit live with the chapter ray optics. Be there till then. Bye bye. Take care all. Okay. Chalo. In between revise chemistry. Chalo. चलो फिर मिलते हैं. चलो.